Hello everyone, welcome CornCamera.com channel. We are seeing icebergs melting and rising out the water, with the boat be submerged. It is a scene that you can see. If anyone wants to explore the Arctic, be careful. Today is a beautiful day and there will be an event to ruin that of you. Pay attention upfront. He was preparing to cross the intersection when a seven-seater car arrived, and because of not monitoring the speed, there was a crash. The boat launch failed, but it was only a slight bump. A boat is sinking and every passenger is transferred to canoe. Why did the boat sink? What will be the damage? And who is responsible? There were five passengers that lost control and collided with a truck. The truck also lost control and crashed into the bridge. After the collision, the truck burst into flames. Will the truck driver be able to get out in time? Unexpectedly, the driver was still alive and got out. He really lucky. A boat is preparing to dock. One guy on the boat was tied to the anchor. The other guy kept his hand on the gear lever and an unexpected incident occurred. The pickup truck was pulling a passenger on the road, but suddenly an incident occurred. Next time, I think you won't ask this pickup driver for help again. An unexpected incident occurred. Luckily, no one was injured. What do you think is the cause? Lesson learned here. Leave blows on if engine are on. A madman chased lanes on highway at over 200 km per hour and returned on his turn signal. Subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so you don't miss the latest video.